Hello, this is Simon with WTI, and this is one of the three in the three pack of the Arduino Pro Micro boards or Atmega 32 U4 boards from Hosyond. They are very versatile boards. They are tiny, absolutely tiny in size. As you can see, they are very easy to use for prototyping and for building actual products. It is excellent for prototyping as it comes with the pins for soldering on, and you can put it on a breadboard and start working with it. I personally have already used these to build some products that I'm selling. They have been very reliable, and they've been an absolute joy to work with. Easy to program, easy to solder, and easy to fit even into a small enclosure for building things. And that is why I can warmly recommend it, but that is just my point of view.